What is phishing? Phishing is a trick cybercriminals use to make you give them your personal information. They send you fraudulent emails or text messages, often pretending to be from an organization you know or trust or you have a business with. Their aim is to steal your online banking logins, credit card details or passwords, etc. Phishing can result in the loss of information, money or identity theft, and you could even end up in trouble. How to recognize phishing? Phishing emails and text messages often tell you a story to trick you into clicking on a link or opening an attachment. You might get an unexpected email or text message that looks like it's from a company you know or trust, like a bank or a credit card or utility company. The message could be from a scammer who might say they've noticed some suspicious activity or login attempts in your account, claim there's a problem with your account or your payment information. Say you need to confirm or update some personal or financial information. Include an invoice you don't recognize, want you to click on a link to make a payment. Say you're eligible to register for a government refund. Offer a coupon for free stuff that may look very attractive to you, like $1 million lottery. Here are signs that this email is a scam, even though it looks like it comes from a company you know and even uses the company's logo in the header. The email has a generic greeting like "Dear customer," "Hi there," "Hi dear," etc. The email says your account is on hold because of a billing problem. The email invites you to click on a link to update your payment details. The email asks you to take an action urgently. That email will even threaten you of a disciplinary action on you if you don't act immediately. How to identify a phishing email? Carefully check the sender's email address. It will look genuine, but you can definitely find slight spelling errors or symbols in it to look genuine. Hover over the links or buttons with your mouse, and you can identify the fraudulent location, which will not be the one belongs to an organization that you are looking for. What to do if you suspect a phishing attack? If you get an email or a text message that asks you to click on a link or open an attachment, answer this question. Do I have an account with the company, or do you know the person who contacted me? If the answer is no, it could be a phishing scam. You should review how to recognize phishing and look for the signs of a phishing scam. If you see them, report the message and then delete it immediately. If the answer is yes, contact the company using a phone number or website you know is real, not the information in the email. Attachments and links might install harmful malware in your computer or phone. My advice to all my friends is that we have to be more vigilant these days, as there are lots of scammers of phishers out there, looking for stealing our personal details and then to steal our life savings. Have a safe and pleasant online life.